dear friends, welcome to Certify Me YouTube channel. Microsoft is officially retiring several popular Azure certifications in 2026, including AZ204, AI900, AI102, and AZ500. And honestly, this is a massive shift in the cloud industry because Microsoft is moving heavily toward AI focused certifications. So, if you are planning to start Azure certifications or already preparing for one, this video is very important for you. In this video, I will explain which Azure exams are retiring and their retirement dates, what new exams are replacing them, and whether you should still take these certifications or not. So, without wasting the time, let's get started. Why Microsoft is retiring these exams? Before we look at the exams, first understand why Microsoft is doing this. The biggest reason is AI, artificial intelligence. Microsoft is now focusing more on generative AI, Copilot, AI agents, AI powered cloud applications, AI security, and MLOps. Earlier, Azure certifications were mainly cloud focused, but now Microsoft wants developers, engineers, and security professionals to also understand AI technologies. That's why many traditional Azure certifications are getting replaced with new AI focused certifications. DP100 retiring. Let's start with DP100. DP100 is the Azure Data Scientist Associate Certification. Microsoft announced that this exam will retire on June 1st, 2026. The replacement is expected to be AI300, which focuses more on MLOps and production AI systems. This is actually a very important industry shift because companies no longer want only scientists. They want engineers who can deploy, monitor, and manage AI systems in real production environments. So, Microsoft is updating certifications based on current market demand. Next one, AI 900 is also retiring. Azure AI Fundamentals. This exam is retiring on June 30th, 2026. A new version called AI 901 is expected to replace it. The new certification will likely include generative AI, large language models, AI agents, Copilot technologies. So basically, Microsoft is modernizing the beginner AI certification. AI 102 is also retiring. This is the Azure AI Engineer Associate certification. It will retire on June 30th, 2026. The expected replacement is AI 103. Earlier, AI 102 focused mainly on cognitive services, vision APIs, speech services, but now Microsoft is moving toward AI applications, AI copilots, AI agents, agent workflows. This clearly shows how fast the AI industry is evolving. Next one, AZ204 retiring. Now let's talk about one of the most popular certifications, AZ204. AZ204 is the Azure Developer Associate certification. This exam is retiring on July 31st, 2026. And honestly, this is shocking for many Azure learners because AZ204 has been one of the top developer certifications for years. The expected replacement is AI 200, and this tells us one very important thing. Microsoft believes future cloud developers must also understand AI development. So, going forward, AI skills may become mandatory even for cloud developers. Next one, AZ500, Azure Security Engineer Associate. This exam retiring on August 31st, 2026. The newer certification path is expected to focus heavily on AI security, AI governance, responsible AI, AI risk management. This makes sense because AI security is becoming one of the biggest challenges in cybersecurity today. Should you still take these exams? Now the biggest question, should you still prepare for these certifications? My answer is yes if you are already started preparing, yes if you are already bought vouchers, yes if you can complete the exam before retirement, because the certification will still remain on your Microsoft profile. But if you are starting completely fresh in late 2026, then it may be smarter to prepare for the new AI focused certifications instead of these old ones. So overall, Microsoft is clearly moving from traditional cloud certifications toward AI integrated cloud certifications. And honestly, this is not just Microsoft, the entire tech industry is moving in this direction. So if you are learning cloud today, I strongly recommend learning Azure plus AI, Cloud plus Copilot, Cloud plus automation, Cloud plus AI security, because these skills will dominate future jobs. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know which Azure certification are you preparing for right now.